Cassava Sciences stock has gradually added 20.24% in this session of today, the 29th of July 2024. We're counting down to the close of the session. We have roughly 6 minutes, and we saw it progressively advance to the levels it is currently trading at right now. There isn't really any fresh news. There might be some somewhere, but we haven't found anything. 19%, roughly 20%. Is usually the stuff of some positive news, or maybe a short squeeze. If it is a short squeeze, yes, it's still some news. Let's have a look and see what short interest is for SAVA. Let's see. Okay, we also find out what the cover rate. Okay, 35 point. I just saw it now, 35.87%. Yeah, so that's a decent one. But another thing is the borrow rate, which we can't exactly see here. We don't have access to everything, so on Fintel. So okay, yeah, you can't rule out that. You can't rule out the presence of that short interest. So let's see. Let's come back to think and swim. Yeah, okay, with still very much within its price channel as we count down to the close of this session. Okay, let's have a look at its. Let's see its 10-minute chart and see what we are looking at. Yeah, this is a much steeper climb. Okay, so the highs of the session was 17.99. On the 10-minute chart is still just very much on its on the upper line of its price channel. Let's see, 15 minutes still going to show us pretty much the same thing. Yes, still the same thing. There's every chance that it's going to cool off a bit and pull back further in. Let's look at the. Yeah, this is the 1 hour chart indicating or validating what we are looking at here. It's currently on this hourly chart. It's outside of its price channel, expected to come back in and contract this volatility. I should expect that that will also be the case on the 4-hour chart. Yes, that is the case as well. So expect a pullback to occur. Expect the price to come back into this price channel. We have 15.55 as the upper line of its price channel. Let's see. This is 15. This is the same. This is a 4-hour chart. 15.55. Okay, we have 16. We have 16.67. So I would say, let's see, and then exactly we have it here, 15.58. So expect it to come back between 16.67 and 15.58. So this is naturally where it might pull back into, and then further below we have 14.75, we have 14.12, 13.55, and 12.77. We have 11.57. So we also know that the stock began to recover from the lows of 11.67 as of Wednesday, the 24th of July. It's consistently been printing high prices. Yeah, consistently been printing high prices amid an outsized short interest. We did get to 19.85. That's the next upper projection. 19.85. Let's see. We can actually try and find out whether that can happen. 19.80. Okay. 19.80. Let's take that. And as the target we have 19.80, and we have a standard 10-period moving average at that level of 14.20, and then we have standard deviation of 1.71. So if we go back, we have 19.80. So there are a cluster of numbers, a couple cluster of prices around there. It consolidated a lot, so it helps us to determine, it helps us to pick up figures, helps us to pick up moving averages. So let's see, let's take 19.96 standard deviation of 0.1717, and then we slide backwards again around here. The extrapolation and its and the price itself were in congruence, in confluence. Okay, we have a standard deviation of 19.63. We have 19.63, and then we have it, and then we have standard deviation of 0.2032, and we slide again. We have 19.80. We have standard deviation of 0.2981. Slide again, we have 19.61. Standard deviation of 0.4056. We have 19.13. Standard deviation of 0.3258. So we have we can just work with these ones. We can work with these the data we have already. Okay, let's see. So we're adding up moving averages. We have 14.2 plus 19.96 plus 19.63 plus 14.80 plus 19.61 plus 19.13. We have 101, 107.33. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. We have 17.83. Okay, so 17.83. There's a good chance we're not going to get anything. The probability doesn't sound like it's going to be very high, so it's not going to be fantastic. So let's enter our target projection of 19.8, and we have 17.88. And let's see, 1.71 plus 0.1717 plus 0.2032 plus 0.2981 plus 0.4056 plus 0.3258 divided by 6. 5190 is standard deviation. It's not going to be very fantastic. Okay, the probability that it will be below $19.8 is 99.98%. So we have 0.01% that it will surpass. It will surpass 19.80. Well, that is what we got based on the data we have. But regardless, it can always remain. It can, even if it's 0.001, within all of that, within that very tiny probability, high prices can still occur. High prices can most certainly occur. So the market has closed now, and yeah, statistically that the probability that it will surpass 19.83 doesn't sound very encouraging, but regardless, it doesn't have to be based on the statistics. It could still advance even further, but we are expecting that it will pull back between 16.69 and 15.61. As a matter of fact, we can actually have a look at its the lower line of profits price channel, and it's 13.14. So actually the pullback zone we're expecting should be 16.69. 13.14 is a projection we have. Okay, 13 point. Okay, so I would say somewhere between 12.8. Okay, this is the zone we're expecting it to pull back into. It's recovering from there was a rejection it had as of Monday the 22nd, exactly 1 week, and it saw it correct and got a pivoted at 11.68 as of Wednesday, and has just not stopped rallying since since Wednesday. That will be this will be the fourth straight session of gains for SAVA stock. Yeah, fundamentally, or rather on the news side, this is here about roughly a week ago. The company's the shares were up 24% at some point in that session. The incoming chairman gives a timeline for Alzheimer's drug study readout. Yeah. So see what you make of SAVA stock rebounding and continuing to sustain its the strength it picked up as of Wednesday, the 24th of July. And thank you very much for watching this video.